What's going on, family? I'm at Costco's right now, and I was throwing my propane bottles in the back of the truck, and this guy rolled up and got out. He said, "Man, that's a nice rig, man. What company you work for? That's a nice rig you got." I said, "Nah, it's my rig." He said, "Oh, really?" He kept looking at it. He said, "Man, this is nice, man." He said, "This nice." I ain't gonna lie, man. It kind of felt good, man. The man to pat me on the back a little bit. You know what I mean? Because for those who follow me, man, they know how I like to take um, one man's trash and turn it into another man's treasure. You know what I mean? Getting some, putting a little money into it, but making it make you money first, and then flipping it and keeping it up. You know what I mean? I think that shows your style and your charisma, and that you're not just average. You're not just regular. You don't have to just think inside of a box when you do certain things. So I think that's very wise. So just wanted to say that, man. That you know what I mean. It kind of made me feel good. Um, but at the end of the day, you know what I mean? The hustle don't stop, man. The hustle never stops. Hold on.